Hello, my name is Liberty Looters, and this is my proposal for mobile learning in the levels kindergarten through third grade. Mobile teaching teaches students the basic uses of technology. Most students at this level or age don't really know how to work technology, and they don't understand anything that comes with technology, really, unless they have tablets or phones at home, of course. This allows them the potential to engage in discussion boards or watch videos that I assign, look at images if I tell them to. It meets the needs of various students, those who need to be at home for some reason. It's easy for them to feel engaged still if you have some sort of LMS or Google Classroom, and it just allows them to be engaged as well and interact with all the other students. It increases productivity and efficiency, improves learning, flexible, on-demand, adaptable, small, etc. So the solution I found for this is to invest in Samsung Chromebooks for each student at this level. Chromebooks are inexpensive and cheaper than other laptops and Apple products. They're easy to use and operate. They're light in size. They don't weigh that much, so it wouldn't be too heavy if a student was carrying it in their backpack. They're small and the perfect size for that level. They have long-lasting battery life, about 6 hours or more, so you don't have to worry about them having to charge them in the classroom or all the Chromebooks dying and stuff like that, stringing the cords around the classroom to plug them in. And they are quick and can be powered up in about 8 seconds. The cost, these could be bought from eBay, Amazon, Samsung website, anything like that, but I found them on Walmart.com. For each Samsung Chromebook is about $199. So for the 200 students in the K through 3 level, it would cost approximately $40,000 for each student to own a Chromebook. Implementation. Each student in the kindergarten, first, second, and third grade would get their own Chromebooks. For kindergarten and maybe first grade, their Chromebooks will be left at the school to reduce the risk of damage or abuse, because if they crack their screen or break off a part or lose their charger, there's going to be a fee, and they'll understand that. And I think this would teach them responsibility along with just taking care of their own stuff and, yes, being responsible. On top of that, maybe have laptop carts in the classrooms for kindergarten and first grade, so then you're not having to worry about them taking them home or forgetting them at the school, and just responsibility is kind of tough at that age, and that's where they're starting to learn. So I think this would be a great way to show them how to be responsible. So if you have laptop carts, or if you're keeping them just in the cubbies in the classroom or something like that, you'll teach them that they need to plug in their laptops every day after school, so the next day they won't have to charge them during class, and just teaches them responsibility. Impact. These Samsung Chromebooks will be very beneficial to all students. For the use of Chromebooks in the classroom would improve learning, engagement, etc. With each student having their own laptop, all learning levels and abilities can be met. So like I said earlier, if a student is advanced in their learning, they can go at their own pace and they can move ahead in whatever online thing you're using. And then if someone's a slower learner, they could go at their own pace and catch up and learn at their own pace, rather than feeling like they have to be rushed or having discussion in the classroom and they don't really know what you're talking about. So students can go at their own pace, but will still be learning in an efficient and effective manner. So regardless if they're learning at a slow pace or a faster pace, it doesn't matter, as long as they're learning the material and they can do this on their own. Although I realize that there can be disadvantages to mobile learning, there are a lot of advantages that come along with it as well. They can access anywhere and anytime, so if a student misses a day from being sick, they can still be caught up and be in line with the rest of the class, because they'll be able to do their stuff online on their own Chromebooks. It also covers a huge distance, so if someone's on vacation for a week, say, they can still have their Chromebooks and be able to do the same classwork as those that are actually in the class at the same time. And it encourages students because it allows them to keep track of their own progress, in a sense. So if they take online quizzes, they can see and you can give them feedback, and it's just an easier way to communicate with the students and let them know how they're doing, and if they did good or not, and why they did good or not. And It can also expand their knowledge as a whole. So if they're just doing quizzes online or they're playing games online in order to learn, it just teaches them so many different things. If their internet's not working, they can figure out how to fix it, stuff like that. It teaches them to teach themselves, basically. So thank you for listening. And again, this is my proposal for mobile learning in the K through third grade level. Thank you.